If you're tired of scrubbing your grill the hard way, this electric grill brush with high torque and 3 speed modes is designed to make cleaning faster, easier, and way more efficient. What really sets this apart is the high torque motor, up to 20 kilograms of force, combined with 3 adjustable speed settings. This means it can break down stubborn, burnt-on grease and residue without stalling, even under pressure, making it far more effective than manual brushes. The reinforced stainless steel bristles are built for durability and deep cleaning while staying safe for common grill surfaces like porcelain, cast iron, and stainless steel. That balance between power and safety is key, especially if you want to avoid damaging your grill over time. Another smart feature is its ability to clean while the grill is still warm. When paired with a little water, it can create a steam effect that helps loosen grease and residue quickly, saving both time and effort after cooking. The adjustable brush head makes it easier to reach tight gaps between grates, and the cordless, Type-C rechargeable design gives you full freedom to clean anywhere without dealing with wires. Most models also offer around 1 to 2 hours of runtime, which is more than enough for regular barbecue maintenance. Overall, this isn't just a cleaning tool, it's a serious upgrade for anyone who grills regularly. It reduces effort, saves time, and delivers a much deeper clean compared to traditional brushes. Click the link below for the best price.